I'm the Mr. One Zion. 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 On 1, 2. Mendo's coming for you before a 3, 4. I'm kicking in your door. Start disrespecting me, and you ain't messing me, but this the way I'm gonna motherfucking see my destiny. Rap on this track, motherfucking bring it back. 83, that was the year I was born, that's the map. Put it down, Chi-Town, get it up, put it on now. Roll with a West Wild beat, man, I'm coming so unique on the street. Did you see me? Yeah, I'm me. Roll up on you 2G, you wanna fucking compare with me? You can't. I'm better than you niggas in the hood, fucking Florida, everywhere. West Wild Town, West Wild I can, East Coast you can't. You wanna fucking bring up that old hip hop beef back? Fuck it, I'm West Wild in this fucking crazy space. Did you see my space coming up? It's replaced. Did you see my map? Did you see my app? Did you see me put it down on Google? That's the map. Time to roll on mics, time to roll on bikes. I'm the baddest one tonight, you wanna come and fight? I'll bust you in your face, man, I'll rip you in your waist. Did you see me in my place, motherfucking MySpace? Time is right, my money's right. Did you see me fucking come on tight? Time is right, did you see me right? But this time to roll on the night. Right all night, right all night. This the way I flow tonight. Coming to one mic, did you see me? I'm fucking flow like a bird tonight. Right, Mike Jacks, did you see me hit the Grammy? Did you see me hit that mammy? Did you fucking come and stand me? You can't stand me, nigga, you wanna come and hit me up? West Wild in the cut, Powerhouse, what's up? I'm the baddest on the beats, I'm sounding so unique. Fuck you and your little hating ass on them beats. You wanna come with me, sounding so unique. Motherfucking Amir Supreme, the team, the baddest in the street. Did you see me? Yeah, I'm with every one of you. Fucking Blues Clues, I'm in. Jay-Z, Toontown, Disneyland now. Did you see me? Man with a million names, put it down on TV now. Did you see me recoding? Man, I'm like Ricola. Did you see me coming up? Time to roll on up. Motherfucker wanna get it like Mr. Cole. Did you see me get it too? I'm gonna fucking speed it too. Did you wanna come on through? Time to write this money, Mike. Did you see me flow tonight? Time to write, did you see me right? Getting on the flow tonight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kicking in your fucking door. Time to go on the motherfucking flow. Come on to you. Did you see me flow on it? Did you see me blow on it? Motherfuckers wanna come and float on it. Did you see me flow out of? Y'all niggas wanna hit me up. I'm baddest nigga up in this cut. So what? What's up? That's me, OZ. Mr. One Zion on this motherfucking beat. West Wild the days, we the people crazed. Mr. One Zion and Xenia Zeus, Justin Dreams on the team in the scene, looking lean. It's on me. Baddest motherfucking Drake and Timmy T. DJ Timmy T motherfucking knows me. So what? That's what's up. That's West Wild in the cut. Southside, low ride. West Wild till I motherfucking die. Did you see me? Yeah, you know me, Mr. One Zion Sound. Did you see me? Hear me now. Rapping beats, I'm proud. Fucking yeah, I'm getting down. Wyoming can hit you up, throw it up. Gonna hit you, man. California, West Wild. Did you see me? Washington, D.C. All over the world. Did you see me? In Greece. Fucking your niece on the counter. Did you see me? Hear the power. Did you wanna come with ours? Did you wanna hit me now? What? 920 0001. Hit me on the low if you got some beats, son. Cause I'ma hit it on it. And I'm gonna pimp your game up, rip your game up. Did you see me coming up? Zion.